Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a plan with me in my Hobonichi week strawberry latte mega, but instead of using my own kit, I will be using something else, and it is this kit from Glam planner. This is her bitty kit, but this is no longer a format that she produces, so this is her older bitty kit, and this was created for personal planners, but I'm gonna hack it and I want to see how it will look in my actual Hobonichi mega weeks. So if you'd like to see how my page will look like, make sure to stay until the end of the video. Alright, so I am back, guys, and let's get started with our Hobonichi hacking easy LP stickers, maybe. These boxes are not the same size as an Erin Condren vertical. These will actually fit the Erin Condren horizontal, so it is slightly shorter than the easy LP vertical stickers from all the other shops that are offering it for the vertical. Of course. If you haven't seen the last video already that I did using Glam Planner Erin Condren size stickers, I will link that down below because I'm going to be recreating some of that, most of that. Yeah, maybe. Okay. Alright, so first we're going to take this mermaid. Oh, by the way, we're planning for the week of the 22nd up until the 28th. This is our Christmas in July week. I'm not going to talk about that right now because we're still deciding. So I'm going to take this box and I will, okay, let me just roll up my sleeves because it is annoying. Sorry, I'm wearing a giant sweater because it is really, really cold. I wish it was really, really sunny, but one can only dream and hope. All right, so we have that sticker down, and then I'm going to put a header down. Am I really going to put a header down? Okay, yeah. Right below it. I know it's crooked. I know it is. I can feel it. Right. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to center. Okay, definitely now that you can see it, I'm going to split this page into two. So this is going to be like a sidebar situation. And then this is going to be the everyday situation. And I hope that works. Well, it did work on the last one that I did. Not the last one, but the last plan with me in that format. But the stickers there are completely different from what I have now. So we shall see. Right, I'm going to put down a half box. Really? Yes, I am. You can do this. I'm a little scared. All right, and then I'm going to put, don't forget, over here. And that doesn't look so bad no more. Okay. And as I am doing that, I want to use one of the decos. Something inspiring. No, that's too... Will it peel the color? It does a little bit, so be very careful when you put down your sticker on another sticker. But if you put it on the page... Oh wait, this is Hobonichi paper. Also be careful. Be careful all around, basically. Alright, I am so excited to carry on. Okay, let's carry on. I'm gonna put another one of these down, and I'm glad that it's not green because the next sticker we're going to be putting down is this one. What's this called, you guys? If you know what this is called, please comment down below. Okay, that's really crooked. I am so sorry. Okay, there you go. And then let's see. Will it fit? Yes. Okay. This will fit. This will fit. I promise. I promise it will fit. No, actually, it's not gonna fit entirely. It's gonna be a tiny bit big. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and put it down at the bottom. Holy smokes. I need a header. If this was an Erin Condren sized sticker or box, I wouldn't have to do that, but I will have to do that now. I do have my scissors ready. That's not it. Okay, just butt it up against that blue and pray to God this works. Okay, will it work? I have no words. It's beautiful. So I'm just going to align the rest of this here. No, I'm not going to use that calendar. I don't always use that calendar, and when I say I don't always use it, I never use it. Okay, there you go. And then I'm going to just put the headers over it. So I'm going to align the edge of this to the last line here. So they are not symmetrical, but aligned. I said align already. Okay, I can't do it like this. I'm gonna have to do it upside down. Sorry guys, I hate doing it. I hate flipping planners when I do my plan with me, but it was just not working. All right, so comments right now is that the stickers are not very thick. They're not super thin, but they're also not incredibly thick that it will be too annoying to use it all the time. So that's something that you can think about if you're planning on purchasing stickers that are made for the Erin Condren from the Glam planner for your Hobonichi. So I'm putting another one down just to balance it out. Okay, that'll be enough. And then I'm going to put this light blue here. And I think I'm going to wish that I didn't do that, but I did it. So if you have washi, which I didn't bring any of my mermaid washi, and that is my fault, then this would be better if you put washi down instead of the glitter headers as well. Okay, so I'm going to put this sticker around the same, sorry you guys, I know I hate doing this, around the same position. Dear God. Okay, that's okay. It's a little bit too far down, just a tiny bit, but that should be okay. Okay, I need headers. I really want to use headers, but I don't have headers. This is why I bought this. So I got me some headers. Well, not really headers, but you know what I mean. Okay. I'm gonna put down, sorry, sleeve again. I'm gonna put down this glitter header, the last one that I have. I wish I had more. I wish I bought the glitter headers for this, but I didn't. It's gonna be too long. So these flags are gonna be too long for each day. What you can do is you can't cut it, but that's not what I want to do right now. Okay, let's go back to this one. I want to use the green one. Really? Yeah, yes I do. Oh, it's not. They're aligned. Sort of aligned. That's okay. Right, I'm going to take a deco. I'm going to take this one. I want to put it over here. And then I'm just going to cut the excess off. Okay, there we go. Where'd that go? I didn't even know. I didn't know where that went. Alright, so that's what it's looking like now. And then I can pull these because these have the same hue. So I'm going to pull a pink one, put it over there, just right for anything. Oh, I have these tiny things. Okay. What should I do? Do I have a header? Oh, okay. Wait. I'm gonna put YouTube. So actually, school is great. Everything else, that's not doing so great. Okay. So I did have a don't forget there, but I'm going to put an important one down here. These are super tiny. I love them. Okay, so I'm going to put this down now, although this is not anywhere complete. This is turning out well. I'm going to take this one, put it over here. Will you? Oh, I forgot my habit trackers. Oh, I could have put habit tracker. Okay, hang on. Can we still pull this? Yes, we can. No, we can't. Oh, that was a mistake. Okay, I'm just gonna put the tracker down on top. That's what I was saying. And that's what it looks like. Woohoo! Okay, and then I'm going to take plan next week. Good thing this is tiny because I want to put it over here. So this little section is for plans of next week. And we're done. We are? What? Okay, so this is going to be generally a running to-do list of all the things. And then I'm going to just fill this out very quickly. I'm going to fast forward you, so it's going to be very quick. If you hear that noise, that's me trying to get my pens out of my pencil case. And we are ready. Okay, so I am back and this is what I have so far. So I do have a lot of stickers here. I'm going to put my appointment down. So I'm going to be using this pen. This is my Zig Mangaka 05. I missed it, so I really want to use it. I'm going to be using all of these. Well, not all of them, but some of them. For example, here I do have an appointment. And then I need to go see what? Okay. So this is bill due. I have a bill due here. And then do I have trash? Yes, I have trash day here. And then I don't know what I'm going to do for the other times, but I do have this, so that is something that I could use later on in the week. Oh my goodness, I forgot completely. Oh goodness gracious. Stickers on top of stickers. Come on. Okay, let's just let it be. Let it be. All right. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is the cutest thing ever. Ever. I don't know what I'm going to do here yet, but it's probably going to be something. And I do have a smaller weekend banner. I'm going to go ahead and use that. Oh, the smaller weekend banner fits perfect. I mean, if I didn't put Saturday down there like that, it'll even be more perfect. Okay, I'm going to switch it to this. Right, so the bigger weekend banner, which I shouldn't have put it there anyhow, will have all the things I'm going to do for the weekend over here, which would be not too much this weekend. What I could have done is I could have not used this, instead had just the weekend banner over here, but you know how that goes. Okay, do we have anything else to put? I think I'm gonna go ahead and put one of these on there. Just a header, this one, right? Yeah. Really? Yes. I think that page works perfect. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to put down some of my Teeny and Friends stickers. Okay, I'm going to take this, which is my work headers. No, not headers, script stickers. And I'm going to put it here. So this is mostly schoolwork. I'm gonna put all the other things to do over here, like posts, videos, etc., over here. And then I'm going to take this and put it on Monday. Can the big one? Okay, yeah, because it's a Monday, the taller ones can fit. There we go. Oh, so happy. All right. And then you can put the unicorn everywhere, and because unicorns, they're magical, maybe some of them can fly and some of them can go over here, or hang on, you guys. So, there's a little bit of script there. I don't speak Japanese, so I won't be able to use it. I can't figure out what it means, but I'm okay with it. I'm just gonna cover it. There we go. Ta-da! I think that's all that we have today, except that vacuum. Okay, vacuum on the weekend. I'm gonna vacuum on Saturday, and then I'm going to do recycling isn't this week, so we're good with that. I'm going to do tracker of YouTube, everything YouTube related. All right, okay, we are done. I promise we're done. So this is our page. Let me scoot you on over. Look at how wonderful everything is. I'm sorry. So that's the left page, and this is the right page. And I have work over here. That's looking a little lonely. I'm going to put this little deco. And now it's not so lonely no more. That's it for us today, guys. If you like this kit, it's no longer available. I know, but you can always get some of her kits from glamplanner.com. That is where you can get Glam Planner stickers. And if you go on there and buy stuff and you want a little bit of a discount, if it's a regular release, you can use POW15 for 15% off your purchase. And also, you should totes go on her Facebook group, be a member. I'm there all the time. So I will see you there, so you'll be updated with all her releases and everything else. And that's it for us. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel for more Hobonichi hacks. Click the notification bell so you are updated with every video release that I have. If you also like some more of my spreads, you can go on to our social media. Our Instagram and Facebook is paperjoyph, and our Facebook group is paperjoyph Planning World. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!